maybe a timed you out, you got to log back in, you've got to match all that client data, so that might take 2 or 3 minutes, and then you've got to find the right form, right? Every form has a code associated with it. Go in there, pull the right form, either fill it out by hand or use some sort of document processing tool, and then finally uploading it to DocuSign, and then putting the right signatures in the right spots. And if any data is missing, also, adding required fields. So that whole process might take 30 minutes, and then you start thinking about how much you're paying to have somebody do that. Well, $25 an hour, that's $15 down the drain every time you do that.
Mhm.
Right? And you could have them doing more valuable work, like doing more client appreciation type of stuff, planning events, helping out with the financial planning process. Because when advisors go out and get new clients, it takes 5 to 10 hours to build plans. So client service type folks can help build plans, improve the plans, update client information, all that sort of stuff.